Fopama of Fopama's Farm. This is Evan, this is Ken, father-son duo here, and it is a family affair at the farm. You and your wife have 4 lovely sons that work with you on the farm. How long have you been doing this?
Well, we've been doing this since 1986 on the Hill Street location.
Beautiful.
And we have 3 sons that are working for us. One is still in college at the moment.
You'll get him after.
Yeah. He's on a summer trip right now.
Okay.
So he'll be joining us around the 1st of August this year.
All right. You have some beautiful, beautiful produce here that I know you brought along with you. And it's funny because you said it was a long winter. We all know that. But the growing season's been all right.
Yeah, the growing season's been awesome. It started a little bit shaky in early April. By the middle of April, the weather kind of straightened out. It was cool, but not cold. We didn't have any frost issues, and the weather, the rainfall and everything has been really good for growing. And because of that, things are growing excellent. We had a tremendous strawberry year, one of the best we ever had this year, and the tomatoes and all the squashes and beans and lettuce are following suit. And blueberries are coming along strong now. And
everything looks great, right?
Yeah,
I said to Evan here, I'm sorry, but these look fake. They look so beautiful. You just picked them though.
Yeah, I just picked them this morning, so just to make everything look nice. Oh, it's been a great squash year, and cucumbers as well. It's been awesome.
So you guys it's a farm stand as well. People can stop by and they can actually buy this good stuff.
Absolutely. Everybody can come and get all these things that you see right here, and we grow everything here. So,
how's it working with your dad?
Well, it's family, so it's a love-hate thing, but at the end of the day, it's awesome. So.
But look at the fruits, literally, of your labor here. It's a wonderful thing. You have a ton of people stopping by to buy all your stuff, I imagine.
Yes, we do. We're very blessed in that remark. Yes.
Wonderful. Tell people where you're located for those that haven't stopped by before.
We're located right on Hill Street in Northbridge. If you come up from the center of town, we're about 2 miles up on Hill Street on the left. If you come to the 5 corners from Sutton or Millbury, Grafton, we're just through the 5 corners on the right in Northbridge. 1605 Hill Street. Very easy to find, easy in and out. Plenty of good parking. And
Ken and Evan will take care of you, right?
Yes.
All right. Fopama's Farm. Go stop by. Thank you, gentlemen, for being with us this morning. Good luck to you. Elizabeth, we're going to toss it over to you.
All right. Thanks so much, honey.